Ooh, spring steel. Yes, I've gone to a spring steel bed. But is it worth it? Hi, everybody. I'm your host, Ron. Thank you all for tuning in once again. Hopefully, you guys are enjoying the content that we're bringing your way. So, I went out and I purchased a spring steel sheet. What does that mean exactly? Well, it means one of these beautiful sheets, shiny, metal, sharp. Only on the corners, though, because they're not rounded off yet. I have to take an X-Acto knife and clean those up. But I picked up this the spring shield for about $30 Canadian, and I have to admit I was kind of skeptical going to spring steel. I already had the Crealty matte thing with the magnet, and that thing was just garbage. Very disappointed with it, and it didn't work right. So I ended up ripping it all off and going and cutting myself a piece of mirror and putting that on top of instead. It worked better. But after time of using it and everything else, I was getting tired of it. I was looking like there must be a better solution. And when I went doing my search after talking with Josh from Alien 3D, Mad Monkey, during one of the live streams, they all went spring steel. Go with the spring steel BAM. They were all saying Wham Bam or TH3D. And I've been seeing a lot more people using it and saying go with one of those. So I went looking on Amazon because, well, I had a lot of Amazon cash still sticking around. I looked also at Wham Bam. Wham Bam, as much as they charge, I don't know if it's any better or not. I've never bought the Wham Bam system, nor have I bought TH3D system either. It's just shipping to Canada is just ridiculous. Plus I have to wait for it to pass customs and all that fun stuff. So I decided to go with the spring steel that was on Amazon. Believe it or not, I got within 3 to 5 business days. Apparently the company's in China, but apparently their shipping office is in Mississauga. Go figure. I mean, it was literally not that far away from where I used to live, which I find really shocking. But I know exactly where it came from. I have an idea exactly where that place is. But mind you, the return address is a P.O. box. I have a feeling I know where that P.O. box is. So we're going to go over to the printer. We're going to print out a piece. Mostly it's just going to be a benchy. But it's going to be a half benchy. It's just to show me how the bottom looks, how everything else looks. I've already tested out the printer many, many times, so I know the printer is good. This is going on the Ender 3. So let's go over to the video that's going to show you putting it on the Ender and everything else. And then we're just going to watch a video of a benchy, and then I'll give you my results at the end. So here I've already ironed out a bit using my handy dandy Presto card, which is a transit card. Who cares about that part? But anyways, there's the backing right there. So I'm going to be peeling off the backing as I iron this out to make sure there's no air bubbles on this. Once the air bubbles are on, then we'll get on to the next part, putting the plate on. And I'll show you how that looks after this is done. It all done now. So now comes the next part, getting the metal bed ready. Now, metal blade plate, which I'm going to peel off right here. I'm just going to show it to you. It has a few fingerprints. So we got some 99% right here. We're going to put that on there, get rid of all the fingerprints, and then we're going to be able to apply the PEI sheet. And same process. Little debit card here. And what I'm going to do is going to flatten this out as it goes across. I'm just going to iron it out slowly and steady. And I'll show you how that's the backing here. Fold it down, and I'm going to place it on here, and then I'm going to peel it back. As I'm peeling it back, I use a trusty Presto debit cardy thingy that I have, Transit, and it's going to help me push this down. Now you can use any credit card really, but because it's a magnetic surface, that doesn't require a metal strip. It's the better way to use it. So if you've got something hard or plastic that you can use, best thing for this. So I'm going to get set up and get this going. Now remember, whenever you're getting these things lined up, remember, be careful. You want to line it up as close as you can to the top so that it's lined up so you get the most printing surface and that's usable. So I'm going to get that set up, and then we'll come back and show you the finished process. Here, so I'm just going to pull this off. That flop down. Then I'm going to take my card. Look at that. Doesn't that look great? Now, there is a film over this, which is protective, which you just peel off. Like so. We'll do it really slow for you guys that love this, watch this stuff come off. Ooh. Slow motion. Isn't that great? Listen to that sound. And there it is. It's the final product. Now I'm going to go over this one more time with the card. Just make sure everything's good and laid down. And we'll be able to print with this surface. And I'll come back with some prints. And fresh off the bed is the benchy that I was talking about. So there it is right there. So let's pop it off. So all you have to do is grab it by the corners, flex it again, and the print will just come off with ease. Just like that. So let's have a look at the print. Easy to remove support. Throw that away. And there's the print itself. As you can see, the bottom is pretty good. It's a little bit not coming out too well, but the writing on it is perfectly flat. There's no elephant footing. I can read the CT 3D, XYZ. It's just as good as mirror without having to have the cleanup afterwards. So, yeah, it's fairly simple to use. It's durable and easy to remove these off of here. If I ever need to remove it, just peel it right off. Just like I could do with a mirror. So, do I recommend Spring Shield sheets? 100% yes. Do I recommend this one by the company known as Dotbit? Well, I've had nothing but good luck with this one, so I'd say, yeah. 100% do I approve it? Yes. So, I guess that ends this episode. I just wanted to end it off here just by saying, yeah, other brands may be better. I have not been able to test them. So, being that, I could have ordered TH3D. I could have ordered Wham Bam, but I just didn't because this was the better way for me to go with Amazon because it was cheaper for me to get shipped to me. Now, your mileage may vary. You might like other companies. Order from them. But I'm just letting you know that another company that's on Amazon that makes these, sells them, and they're durable. So, don't be afraid to use Amazon every so often when you're looking for stuff. Now, is spring steel for everyone? No, there's people out there that prefer working on glass or prefer an ultra base. For those people, this is not it. But for me, for easily pulling off a print and getting a next print going, I like this better. If you like what I've been doing, the content-wise and all the information that I've been able to provide to you, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're using that Spring Shield or you're using a different one. I also have links in the description for everything, including I will put a link down where I bought the Amazon one for Canada, and I have a link for the US. Now, they're not affiliate links, so I make no money when you buy from these links, so don't be afraid to use them. But if you want to, say if you know someone else that has an affiliate link that you like to give them the money, just go to their affiliate link, find out what my link is, add their affiliate link to it, and you'll be able to find it. Anyways, everyone, I want to thank you so much for, being here, watching my videos, and supporting the channel. If you like the content, remember to hit the subscribe button. Remember to hit the like button. It helps grow this channel by views. What that does is every time you click on that, it says, oh, I like the video. And what it does, other people that have subscribed to you or that you are subscribed to will get kind of like an update saying, hey, this video is now out. So, pass it around, let other people know about it, help us grow. That's all I ask. Well, thank you so much for watching. And yeah, we'll have a new video out soon. I got some new stuff to test out. If you haven't watched my surprise winning video, I'll have it linked over here. It should pop up the card. And I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching and have fun printing.